Vekoma has truly undergone a revolution over the past few years. Gone are the days of boomerangs and SLCs, which have been replaced by sleek looping coasters, multi-launch coasters, and other incredible looking models. Ever since the first of these new-gen Vekomas began popping up around Europe and Asia, American enthusiasts, including myself, have anxiously awaited the day where we'd finally get one announced on our side of the globe. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that day is finally upon us, and the lucky recipient is none other than, COTA Land? You heard that right, folks. This little up-and-coming park in Austin, Texas is adding a huge new Vekoma in 2023, and it's a tilt coaster. There's a lot to unpack here, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys everything we know about this awesome-looking new project. Welcome to CLT Coasters. My name is Josh, and this is my full analysis of COTA Land's Circuit Breaker. If you're not familiar with COTA Land, here's a brief little explanation for you. The park is located at the Circuit of the Americas racetrack, hence the COTA acronym, and it recently opened in 2020. They currently offer 3 roller coasters: Texas Wildcat, a Schwarzkopf Wildcat that was actually relocated from Lightwater Valley in the UK, as well as 2 kiddie coasters. The park made a name for itself last year when they announced Palindrome, a Gerstlauer Infinity coaster, which is scheduled to open later this year. Now they're looking to build their 5th roller coaster, Circuit Breaker, which is really going to put this park on the map when it opens. Circuit Breaker is the 3rd tilt coaster to be announced from Vekoma. You're probably familiar with the original tilt coaster, Gravity Max at Taiwan's Discovery World, which opened in 2002. Energylandia in Poland will also be adding a tilt coaster in 2023 as their 20th roller coaster. Circuit Breaker will not only be the first of these coasters in the US, but it will also be the fastest of them all at 58 miles per hour. Breaking down the ride itself, Circuit Breaker is set to feature a vertical drop into a tunnel following a signature tilt track. Unlike Gravity Max, which only features a single vertical loop after the main drop, Circuit Breaker will turn riders upside down 4 times. The first inversion will be a rare rollover camelback, which originated on Vekoma's Top Gun model. Up next will be a barrel roll into a trench, leading into an elongated Immelman that almost looks like the inverted top hat on another Vekoma, Phoenix at Farup Summerland in Denmark. The last inversion will be a second barrel roll just before the brakes. The ride is also set to include 9 airtime moments, including multiple off-axis hills that should give some good pops of lateral airtime. Statistic-wise, Circuit Breaker will stand 132 feet tall, stretch 2,190 feet long, and as previously mentioned, reach speeds of up to 58 miles per hour. As for the other aspects of the ride, I absolutely love the name. The circuit part of the name is, of course, in reference to Circuit of the Americas, and the breaker part connects to the fact that the coaster's circuit quite literally breaks as the tilt track engages. It's a perfect example of a double meaning, and I wish there were more names like these out there. Based on this short clip, it looks like each train will seat 20 riders, which is pretty fair considering COTA Land's size, although lines may get long since Circuit of the Americas draws in over 1 million visitors each year. And like every new-gen Vekoma, the trains will feature lap bars with vest restraints. It would be nice to see just a lap bar, but I personally don't have a problem with the Vekoma vests. The last thing I'll really talk about here is theming and presentation, and I honestly wouldn't be expecting much in the queue or on the ride. I think we'll be looking at more of a stylization, specifically an American stylization with lots of reds, whites, and blues, which is sure to look really nice when everything is finished. It's also going to be really sick being able to see the racetrack as you tilt 90 degrees face down. Overall, I think Circuit Breaker is going to be a smash hit for COTA Land. It's about time that we saw Vekoma bring their new models over to the US, and this looks like it'll definitely be worth the wait. It's sure to attract visitors from across the country and possibly even the world, and I can't wait to experience it myself. If you're excited for Circuit Breaker or just have a thought you want to share, be sure to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this analysis and want to see more videos like this, as well as a variety of other content, be sure to like this video so more people can see it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, be sure to check out CLT Coasters on Instagram. The link is in the description below. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care, everybody.